So good afternoon again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to BASF at K 2016. Our next live talk is about a true innovation, a new PBT extrusion grade. And I am very happy that I have Bernhard Großkinsky from Gehr here with me. He's heading the technical services team. And Philipp Gehr, who has been working with Philipp Wenz. I'm sorry, the partnership is so close. Philipp Wenz, who's working in our industrial team. So, Philipp, first question to you. This new PBT extrusion grade, what's behind it? What's the innovation?
Yeah, so basically the BASF team alongside with the customer Gehr, we developed a rod stock of extruded PBT and unreinforced PBT. This is BASF Ultradur B6151 LNI. And this rod stock has a diameter of 60 millimeter, and it's the first rod stock made of unreinforced PBT in the market. So basically, we approached the company Gehr with the idea to do that, and company Gehr is known for innovations and for new ideas and always open. And so we presented it to them, and we thought it's a good idea to do that, also with this close partnership. Basically, then we made the proof of concept. So we produced this rod stock, and it did work. So the diameter of 60 millimeters, what we currently have presented here on the K show, but basically also 100 millimeters possible easily. The good thing with the material itself is that you have a good melt viscosity, which is not the case if you only take standard PBT. So the melt viscosity is important. And we produce the company Gehr is producing the rod stock without any centerline porosity. And we are quite confident that we have also some valid points why PBT unreinforced might compete against standard polyesters like PET, for example.
Bernhard, Philipp already mentioned that Gehr and BASF are partners in crime when it comes to innovation, so to say. Why is this product so interesting for you? What's your plan with it?
Yeah, the main problem is for the engineering plastics that in cold conditions you have a gap for the high toughness material, which has always a high dimension stability, UV resistivity, high chemical resistivities, and that's with this material we think so that we can close this gap for a lot of applications. We hope so. It's also for us a new material, but it looks quite good.
Okay. Yeah. We also hope so, by the way. Philipp, this cooperation that you have been talking about, it has been going on for decades, I would say, but there's always something new. What is the way that you work together? How do you collaborate?
I mean, we always try to think about possible solutions and new materials which we have, and I'm always keen on getting in touch with the customer and say, okay, hello, this is our new PBT. We know it from fiber optical cable extrusion. Why not try to challenge that material also for stock shape customers? Especially for this product, what we have seen is that there's no unreinforced PBT in the market. So that's why we thought, okay, we extrude it and we see the properties of the material itself. What we have seen is that, particularly in comparison to PET, the behavior at very low temperatures is incredibly good. So we have measured until minus 30 degrees. This is a temperature which normally might be interesting for applications in the aeronautical field. But also there were some questions, is it possible to have this good toughness also at minus 100 degrees? And we have verified it, so we have the means to test it in the BASF facilities. And we have disclosed this information, of course, to the customer Gehr in order to put them into the situation to show it to their customers. The material itself is really good in terms of processability. I mean, it's easy to mill, to drill, to turn, and so on. So we are really happy, and what we have seen, because we have prepared the sample for the K show, we are really happy how it works to work with that. And then, of course, it has the properties of PBT, so the surface is good. The weather durability is good. And yeah, we are quite confident that this could solve some problems in the stock shape customer market.
Bernhard, Gehr is also here at the K show.
Yep.
I think in Hall 8. What are you showing there?
8A, F21.
Okay.
So we are open, of course, for some questions to answer there. Yeah, but you've forgotten one advantage of the PBT. The disadvantage of PET is the very slowly crystallinity time. So the danger to get centerline bubbles, micro bubbles, is very, very high. So with the PBT, it's much faster. So the crystallinity is much more detailed, and we think that's a good way to get applications with the engineering plastics instead of a high performance.
Yeah. And last but not least, Bernhard has also forgotten something. So basically, the chemical resistance and also the low water uptake is really good with this material.
So you've already talked a lot about the technical advantages of this product and how it was produced. I'd like to also learn a little more about the partnership also from your side. I can already tell that you have just given Philipp this nice Gehr tie, yeah, because he likes ties. So the partnership must be good, apparently.
Yeah, it's not only by business. It's also more. Yeah, it's not a real friendship, but it's more than just a partnership. It's important to get fast answers. So BASF is a big company, of course, but the relationship is so good that we know that you are doing the best job as we try to. Yeah.
Philipp, our theme at K this year is how we go from ideas to ideal solutions. What would you say? Most of the times you are being pushed by our customers to come up with new ideas, or you are being proactive and bringing them to the market?
I think it should be a mixture of both. I mean, if we are in contact with the customers who are already buying at BASF, of course we need to show them, and this is a good opportunity here at the K show, our new products. So I'm pretty sure, I'm praying to have, for example, a stock shape made of advanced N in the future. But also on those fairs we have customers approaching us because they are not. They don't know what else we can do and offer to them. So feel free and open for discussion with us and for new applications.
Okay. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Don't forget to also visit Gehr, Hall 8A.
F21.
F21. Thanks a lot. I think we could really see that you are getting along quite well, and you have to change your tie now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.